Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the questions based on the balancing. In this question, it is given that the mass B1, B2 and 9 kilogram are attached to the shaft in parallel planes. You have to read the questions carefully. It is talking about the parallel planes. Okay. If the shaft is rotating at 100 rpm, the mass B2 is, we have to calculate the mass B2, B1 and B2 both are not given. We just have to calculate B2. Okay. So now we all know, first you have to find out which type of balancing it is. It is static balancing or dynamic balancing. Okay. How can you know? I already let you know the criteria and the definitions for the static balancing. Okay. So you have to know the condition for static and the dynamic balancing. Then you have to find out which type of balancing it is. In the static balancing, all the masses are rotating in the same plane, whereas in dynamic balancing, all the masses are rotating in different plane. So in the question, it is given that parallel planes are there. Parallel planes means it is not saying that it is in the same plane. It is saying it is in the shaft in the parallel planes. That means the B1, B2 and 9 kilogram masses are in the parallel planes. It is not saying that they are in the same plane. So if it is in parallel planes, that means it is they are in the different planes. Okay. In different planes means we can apply the dynamic balancing criteria. That means we can consider that the summation of moment would be equal to 0 of all the masses. Okay. So we can apply that summation m is equal to 0. Okay. Here 9 kilogram and we have to calculate B2. So we have to consider B2 because our calculation is based on B2. So we can take the moment about point this. You can say this is A and this is B and this is C. So taking moment about C. First you have to calculate the forces, centrifugal forces. Then you need to find out the moments about C. So what is the forces for this mass B2? That is B2 R, that is 50. I'm not changing the unit, mr omega square, and the distance is 150 from the point C, that is 150 in centimeter. Unit must be same. Okay. Since you can see here, this is making clockwise couple. That means it is moment is in the clockwise direction, and the moment for 9 kilogram is in the anti-clockwise direction. So when you can consider clockwise as positive, anti-clockwise as negative. I'm considering here. So 9 and r is 50 omega square, and what is the distance is 50, is equal to 0. You just have to calculate this and you will get the value of b2. So when you calculate this, you will get 9, 50, 50 upon 50 into 150. You can see here this would be cancel out and this would be cancel out 3, and this finally you will get b2 value, that is equal to 3 kilogram. So that is the final answer. Okay. Calculation is not so tough that you have to use a calculator. It is so easy. You can you can calculate is very easily. Okay. So option is A. The correct answer is 3 kilogram. If in the question it is asking about the mass B1, you can also calculate the mass B1. Because this is a dynamic balancing, we know that in the dynamic balancing, we balance forces as well as moments. Okay. So we can balance forces also in order to find out B1. So you can say force balancing is summation F is equal to 0. Okay. It is in downward direction, it is also in downward directions, and it is in the upward direction. This is the centrifugal force. So in the downward directions, you can consider as negative, upward direction consider as positive. So that is m r omega square minus b1 r omega square. Answer is 3 kilogram. Okay, I'm just calculating the mass of B1 also. So mr omega square mr omega square minus B2 r omega square, that is equal to 0. So B2 is we have calculated, that is 3 kilogram. Okay, so from here you can calculate B1, that is 50 will be cancel out. Okay, so that is 9, that is 9 minus 3, and it would be 6 kilogram. Okay, so 6 kilogram is the mass of B1, whereas 3 kilogram is the mass of B2. However, in the question the mass B2 is asking, so this would be the answer. Okay, I hope you will understand the solution of that question. So thank you.